Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where we explore all things UI and UX design, and today I'm here to share a quick tip in Figma, how to place elements over an auto layout group without it being part of the auto layout group. So taking our first frame as an example, if we draw a little circle here and we try and place that over the auto layout group, what Figma immediately does is that it assumes you want this to be part of the auto layout, and if you let go of the mouse anywhere, it will put it in that place, which is what Figma is supposed to do. However, down here in our second frame, there are moments where you don't want your element to be part of your group. Take this for example. Let's say this was a mobile menu and you had 3 likes and you wanted to show the user the notification. Well, if we again took this over our auto layout group, Figma would join it as part of the auto layout group. So what you want to do here is you want to select your element and hold space whilst dragging, and what that does is that it allows you to place it over your auto layout group without it being part of it. And then what we can do then is make that a group, add a number, just nudge that down, take out the font size on that, and we'll also scale. We'll make that white, and we'll give our background red. Gonna group that, just get it down a little bit more, and move that up. And there you have it. That's how to place an element over an auto layout group without it becoming part of the auto layout. Now what we can do here then is group the whole thing, and we can move it as one element. That's it for today's video. Let me know if you end up using this on one of your future designs, and I'll see you on the next video.